Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video let's talk about the best method to enable Bitcoin withdrawals on a Cash App. Alright, so the best method to do this is to complete verifications carefully and in the correct order. Start by accessing the Bitcoin section and submitting the required identity verifications, which typically include personal details and documents confirmation. Ensure all information matches your account exactly to avoid delays or rejection. Enable withdrawal settings only after verification is fully approved. Test the feature with a small transfer first to confirm that everything works correctly, and be sure to keep your account in good standing by avoiding suspicious activities, as withdrawal access can be restricted if risk flags appear. Proper verification and caution testing ensures smooth and reliable Bitcoin withdrawals on Cash App. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.